All right, so my business law assignment. I researched a few cases before I found one that was actually more along the lines of what I was looking for. So I ended up going with Guild Inc. versus JCPenney. So basically, in 2003, they filed a fraud and breach of contract case against JCPenney. So they said that Penny's had illegally retained chargebacks, and they wanted $6.5 million for damages and punitive damages, like their merchandise had been returned that wasn't something that a customer had damaged. So per their contract that they were in, Penny was supposed to pay Guild for all conforming goods provided by the plaintiff, and anything that was defective or, you know, they overbought, they could return within a year for a refund of the purchase price. So the defendant could issue a chargeback against Guild and a processing fee, if the merchandise was defective. So allegedly, JCPenney began to issue chargebacks against Guild, which were not justified under their contract. Items that had been shipped and received more than 1 year before the date. And also, they thought that they were doing it to try to make their profit margin look better. So they said that they were illegally obtaining discounts, refunds, or credits for merchandise. So what ended up happening when they finally went to court in 2004 is they won $1.4 million of a breach of contract and copyright infringement. And then they ended up going back later on, about a year later, I believe it said 2005. They went back for more racketeering claims, and they ended up winning an additional $5 million against JCPenney's.